What is an N-gon in geometry? Polygon Naming Explained. Imagine trying to name a shape with many sides. It might seem tricky at first, but there is a simple system behind it. Today, we are going to explore how shapes with different numbers of sides are named in geometry. A shape with straight sides that come together to form a closed figure is called a polygon. The word polygon comes from Greek words meaning many angles. The number of sides a polygon has determines its name. When we talk about an N-gon, we mean a polygon with n sides, where n is any number starting from 3 and going upward. For example, if a shape has 3 sides, it is called a triangle, which is a 3-gon. If it has 4 sides, it is called a quadrilateral or a 4-gon. When a shape has 5 sides, it is called a pentagon, and with 6 sides, it is a hexagon. The general term N-gon makes it easy to talk about any polygon without giving a specific name. The letter N just stands for any number of sides. So, a 7-sided shape is called a heptagon, and an 8-sided shape is called an octagon. For shapes with more than 10 sides, the names can get longer and more complicated, but most people just say N-gon for those. For example, a shape with 12 sides is called a dodecagon, and a shape with 20 sides is called an pentagon. Polygons can be classified based on their shape. If all sides and angles are equal, the polygon is called regular. Regular polygons are symmetrical and look balanced. If some sides and angles are different, the shape is irregular. Also, polygons can be convex, meaning all interior angles are less than 180 degrees, or concave, where some angles are greater than 180 degrees, creating inward dents. Knowing how to name polygons helps us understand their properties better. For example, the interior angles of a regular N-gon can be calculated with a simple formula. Subtract 2 from the number of sides, multiply by 180 degrees, and then divide by the number of sides. This makes it easier to figure out the angles in any polygon. In everyday life, polygons show up everywhere. They are in architecture, art, and even in computer graphics. Recognizing how polygons are named helps us see the shapes around us more clearly. Whether it is a triangle on a stop sign or a hexagon in a honeycomb, understanding these names makes learning about shapes more fun and straightforward. So, to sum it up, an N-gon is a polygon with n sides. The naming system is based on the number of sides, with special names for common polygons like triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons. For shapes with many sides, we often just say N-gon. This system helps us talk about and study shapes in a clear, organized way.